Hey guys, today we're going to have a look at the paradise bird. So the flower has faded. Because I see someone is selling the seeds on internet. Just small round brown like these. And I really don't know how to get it. Because I'm wondering if it is male or female plant. You need two plants to have seeds. So get the pollen or something. I'm not sure. So today what I'm trying to do is to cut the flower and open it up and to see if there's any seeds in it or not. If we can get seeds, it will be very easy for me to grow with seeds. If not, I can always split the plant into 2 or 3. This is already the splitted one, and I get a lot. And the other one I planted in the field and it grows well. So today what I'm going to do is to check if there are any seeds in it or not. And I'm going to plant it in the field today, next to the other one. It grows very well in the field with a lot of earth. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it. So yeah.